हमने शाहरुख खान के बारे में बात नहीं करी।
अरे
सरगुन
जी
मेहता,
बिल्कुल, कैसे नहीं करी बात आपने। आप इनसे पूछिए इनका ड्रीम कोस्टार।
apparently you met him
जी,
and you told him about the fact that
He's met him quite a few times.
my
3
wife
times.
is a
Couple
huge
of
fan of
times.
yours. Yeah.
there was a promotion of I think Dilwale that Shahrukh sir, Varun and Kajol ji and I think Kriti was there. They were all there on our set. Jamai Raja उस टाइम में शूट किया करता था, तो प्रमोशन के लिए they were going to a lot of shows. They came to ours as well. He's of course extremely charming, an extremely warm human being, Shahrukh sir. And Sargun has been a huge fan, so I told Sargun कि Sargun आज शाहरुख सर सेट पे आने वाले हैं, तुम आओगी? तो कहती नहीं, मैं जब उनके साथ फिल्म करूँगी तब मिलूँगी उनसे. So when he was about to leave, I told him कि sir, my wife is a huge fan. I told him and he recorded a message for her. I think it's still there somewhere. हमारे पास होगा वो. Where he said that Sargun, you know, I would love to meet you, and if that is the condition that you have to do a film with me, then so be it. You know that when we do a film, I'll meet you on that day.
No, he
so
said,
that
I can't wait to do a film with you.
I don't know verbatim, so I'm not quoting him, but to the effect of that, you know, that I can't wait to meet you.
तो सरगुन जी क्या प्रोग्रेस है शाहरुख खान के साथ फिल्म के लिए?
फिलहाल तो कोई प्रोग्रेस नहीं है. मैं तो जब कहीं जाती हूँ मैं कहती हूँ कि सब लोग एक ही चीज़ बोलो कि बस मैं वो कर लूँ, बिकॉज दैट्स गोइंग टू बी द अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ
He
माई
loves
फिल्म
it.
विद
She
शाहरुख
loves
खान.
it,
आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दैट वीडियो आउट देयर एंड से हियर यू गो. आई
Right.
मैनिफेस्टेड इट.
Right, but have you tried to like approach him? You've never tried to meet him?
I mean, no, I'm never going to try to meet him. There is only going to be the one way that I'm going to meet him.
जैसे उन्होंने यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस के लिए उन्होंने एकदम बिल्कुल पक्का अपना रिजॉल्व रखा, आखिर में जीती.
Yeah.
हाँ,
तो ये
बहुत रेजोल्यूट है. सरगुन से ज़्यादा मैंने किसी में देखा ही नहीं. ये एक दिन इसको कोई ऊपर से कोई आपको इनको डिवाइन थॉट देता है, सुबह उठ के उस चीज़ पे वो लग जाती है और वो हो जाता है, पूरा कर लेती है. तो ये अपना बड़ा मजाक उड़ाती है कभी कभी. शी मेक्स लाइट ऑफ हर सिंगिंग और बोलती है मैं तो सिंगर बनूंगी, और कुछ उसको लगता है कि कोई मजाक की बात चल रही है. लेकिन मैं सरगुन को जानता हूँ ना, इसने एक बार जो कुछ बोलना शुरू कर दिया वो उसके मन में घर करना शुरू कर जाता है, और जब वो मन में घर करना शुरू कर जाता है तो वो जीवन में आकार लेना शुरू कर जाता है.
बड़ी बहुत
मैं
सारे
आपको
लोग
फैक्ट
इसके
बता
लिए
रहा हूँ
मारेंगे
ना,
हमें.
मैं आपको ये चीज़ फैक्ट बता रहा हूँ. मैं तो इतने साल बिता लिए, 14 साल हो गए. मैं तो छोटी बड़ी हर चीज़ में देखता आया हूँ. इसको किसी और शक्ति ने संभाला हुआ है.
तो do you think that she'll be able to work with Shah Rukh Khan at some stage?
If she is saying it, then it will happen in time. But it will. अगर इसके मन में वो ख्याल है और वो पुख्ता है तो वो it will. There are ample positive energies in the world to make it happen.
क्या कहती हैं आप इसके बारे में?
It'll definitely happen. It has to happen, which is why I've said it.
Why is he so special for you?
I don't know. I think बचपन में you look at somebody and you feel like अरे यार इसको देखकर, and I think everybody learned how to dream from him. It's a thing. You learn, and then people evolve with time. They change their heroes. They change who they look up to. For me, it never changed. I love the kind of man that he is. I love who he is personally. Whatever it is that we've read about him or known of him, of his grace, of how kind he is, how big he is, how passionate he is. And I think that he just taught me to dream. So it's never going to change for me like that. And he's taught me to romance.
And he's very respectful towards women.
He is.
He's extremely respectful towards women, which is I think beautiful quality.
Yeah.
Like personally, I have learned, like in terms of to open doors and everything. I think chivalry is something which is very very important for men, and that's what you learn from Shah Rukh Khan. All right, so हम लोग अगर यहाँ बैठे रहे तो हम लोग बहुत सारी बातें करते रहेंगे. But thank you very much. I think it was absolutely amazing talking to you guys. It was very very entertaining and insightful. All the best wishes for Dream Yata. I'm sure that it's going to be a huge success.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Faridun. So kind.
Thank you.